Dr. Stephen here. Today, 8th January, I am going to speak about autophagia. Auto means cell, phagia means eating, self-eating. Autophagy is won a Nobel Prize by Oshimo from Japan in 2016. This he found to show your stomach empty more than 12 hours. Autophagome gets secreted. Autophagomes, there are around 60. I don't want to bore you on telling any of this. But autophagome inform other organ like liver, pancreas to take a nutrition from fat. That is liver fat, belly fat, anywhere. Fat cells are degraded and taken out. That is glycogen storage fat taken out as a free fatty acid, which is water soluble, which is healthy, taken to the cell in mitochondria, that used as a 10 times more than the glucose. They use as a nutrition. They produce 100 instead of 10 ATPs in Krebs cycle. The person who follow autophagia expected to not to get BP, sugar, cancer, all this kind of thing. That is what my earlier video I published saying follow autophagia. Please follow autophagia. All the best.